What's up there YouTube, and welcome back to the Budget MODZ channel. Yes, today we are heading over to a small place in Birmingham called RJ Performance, and today we are getting either a back box delete or just a tip change. I'm not 100% sure on how I'm feeling about this at the minute on the lovely, hang on, let's see if I can, no, it's not going to focus. On the lovely 307, I'm not 100% sure. I did do a poll on TikTok and on Instagram. Overall, even though there's more on TikTok that went for the just tip change, but on Instagram, it was more back box delete. Overall, counting them up, back box delete wins. But I'm going to see what my options are when I get down there. I've got the money, I'm going to see what happens. So we're going to head off down to RJ Performance and have a talk with the guys. So it has been a couple of days since I got the exhaust done. Couldn't really get any footage because one, I forgot one of the phones because I use two phones. I've got the one I'm recording on, this one. Can't really record on this one because of the black box, because I can't use the phone. So what we're going to do is do a bit of a drive along. This will be bumpy because you're on a bit of a bumpy thingy. So hopefully I've got that window open just a little bit, just so we can hear it. Then I'll show you around it if it clears up a little bit a bit later on. But yeah, cold start first thing in the morning. It's what 4 minutes past 8. So let's wake everybody up. So that is cold start. Don't know how well you can hear this, but in the car, to me, it sounds loud. Outside, apparently when you're driving, it's not as loud because you're in the car. You can hear it a lot more. So what we're going to do, we're going to have a drive. I'm actually on the way to work, so let's have a drive. I wish that wasn't bouncing around as much. I do like the sound of it, I really do. Doesn't help that this road is really bumpy as well, and the suspension's really stiff. So once again, I do apologise for all the motion. I might try and stop and yeah, I will. I'll do it up here. So we can do that again, so we can get you a bit more stable. So done, just changing it. I know the microphone's outside now, so this is not going to sound that good. Hopefully you can hear the exhaust a little bit better. I know it's wonky. A little bit better. On the Swift, I like how it crackles. Really do like this exhaust. Oh, that's a bit bumpy. 100% sure. I know I'm really sorry about the camera work. I've got to try and find a new phone holder thing for the other camera holder. Hopefully I can get one sourced soon. Yeah, so that's the exhaust done. Getting the spoiler done at some point soon, and going off like wrapping the whole car, because it's going to be really expensive, and doing it yourself as well. I'm actually thinking about just like still wrapping the roof black, but actually sanding down the places what need to be sanded, and just bringing back, like getting the actual paint and painting it myself, buffering it, making sure it's all in the right sort of colour and like blended in properly. That's going to be a bit hard work, but it is going to look a hell of a lot better than what it is now. And we will be getting a new grille, because the grille's busted. It is bust up. So I'm going to go for a mesh grille. And if we've got I should have the money left over to get the fronts. I'm swapping the front splitter out for one of them universal freeway splitters with the side skirts. So yeah, let me know down in the comments what you guys think. Once again, guys, thank you very much for watching. To the guys at RJ Performance, mate, you was absolutely fantastic. They talked to me and everything. There was great guys down in Birmingham by the Birmingham City Ground. So if you're ever down there and you wanted to get an exhaust done, go and sort them out. They're cheap as well. The black box delete cost me £140 with the tip as well. And I've showed you a clip of the tip. That was the closest to OEM, because my old one was quite oval and that one fitted it quite well as well. So other than that, guys, that is it from me today. Like, share and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next modification. Ta-ra a bit.